Today we will learn how to use pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator. The pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator lets you draw open and close paths as if you were drawing with a pencil on paper. It is most useful for fast sketching or creating a hand-drawn look. Once you draw a path, you can immediately change it if needed. Anchor points are set down as you draw with the pencil tool. You do not determine where they are positioned, however, you can adjust them once the path is complete. The number of anchor points set down is determined by the length and complexity of the path and by tolerance setting in the pencil tool preferences dialog box. These settings control how sensitive the pencil tool is to the movement of your mouse or graphic tablet stylus. Click and hold the shaper tool, select the pencil tool or press N from your keyboard. Position the tool where you want the path to begin and drag to draw a path. As you drag, a blue thin dotted line follows the pointer and remains selected by default. You can use the pencil tool to draw constrained or unconstrained straight segments. To draw a constrained straight segment, hold the Shift key and then use the pencil tool to draw straight segments. Constraint to 0 degree, 45 degree or 90 degree. While drawing a straight segment, the straight segment cursor is displayed. To draw a unconstrained straight segments, hold the Option or Alt key to draw unconstrained straight segments. However, to draw a polyline path, draw a line segment keeping the Shift or Alt key pressed. Place the cursor at the endpoint of the line. When the path continuation cursor is displayed, click the mouse button and draw another line. Or keeping the mouse button pressed, release and press the Shift or Alt key and draw the next segment. You can edit any path using the pencil tool and add free forms lines and shapes to any shape. Select an existing path, select the pencil tool or press N from your keyboard. Position the pencil tip on an endpoint of the path. You can tell you are close enough to the endpoint when the small X next to the pencil tip disappears. Drag to continue the path. To connect two paths with the pencil tool, select both paths by dragging around the two with the selection tool. Now select the pencil tool, position the pointer where you want to begin from one path and start dragging toward the other path. The pencil tool displays a small merge symbol to indicate you are adding to the existing path. Drag onto the endpoint of the other path and release the mouse button. For best results, drag from one path to the other as if you were simply continuing the path in the direction they were created. To reshape paths with the pencil tool, select the path you want to change. Position the pencil tool on or near the path to redraw. You can tell you are close enough to the path when the small X disappears from the tool. Drag the tool until the path is the desired shape. Depending on where you begin to redraw the path and in which direction you drag, you may get unexpected results. For example, you may unintentionally change a closed path to an open path, change an open path to a closed path, or lose a portion of a shape. You can set any option by double-clicking on the pencil tool. Fidelity controls how far you have to move your mouse or stylus before a new anchor point is added to the path. The Fidelity slider has 5 presets you can choose from. The leftmost slider preset, Accurate, is most accurate for drawing paths. The rightmost slider preset, Smooth, create the smoothest paths. Choose a preset that suits your drawing needs best. Fill new pencil strokes option applies a fill to the pencil stroke you draw after selecting this option, but not to existing pencil strokes. Remember to select a fill before you draw the pencil strokes. Keep selected option will keep selection of your drawing after you release the mouse button after drawing any shape or line. Alt or Option key toggles to smooth tool option. With this checkbox enabled while using the pencil tool or the brush tool, you can press Alt or Option key to switch to the smooth tool. Close path when the endpoints of a path you are drawing are in close proximity and within a certain predefined number of pixels of each other, the path close cursor is shown. When you release the mouse button, such a path is closed automatically. You can set the predefined number of pixels using this option. Edit selected paths determine whether or not you can change or merge a selected path when you are within a certain distance of it, specified with the next option. Within pixels determines how close your mouse or stylus must be to an existing path in order to edit the path with the pencil tool. This option is only available when the Edit Selected Path option is selected.